We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock holding itself up but struggling to hold support, right? Going lower, and it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market has had volatility and pulled downwards. And since this morning at 8:55 a.m., our SpyBot sent out a bear indicator and that rolled over into the bell. And after the bell, put options went up nearly 200% plus within minutes. And then shortly after at 10:20 a.m., we got a bull indicator and call options went up nearly 100% plus, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SpyBot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock here struggling to hold itself up. We're gonna talk about some key levels here to the upside and to the downside, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was SIDU. We caught this one in the pre-market here as it was pulling upwards, had a bull indicator and full strength on 42 vision leading up to the bell, had a slight dip and then continued even higher, hitting a highest point of 120% plus since we mentioned it, and just within the pre-market alone towards the bell went up nearly 100% plus. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, it is trying to hold itself up and find support and having trouble finding that support. We're going to break down some key levels in today's video, but before we do, I want to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SpyBot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to have that edge over the charts in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge, whether stocks are going up or going down. So Aterian stock here had a bull indicator that lasted from 456 to highs here of 480s, and then it rejected pretty quickly and things have pulled back down, and quickly this bull indicator has gotten canceled out by this bear indicator. But when you zoom out, this has been under a bear indicator since the 520s, and it's been having trouble coming back up. Now, we've hit on the 30-minute several times, why with red borders, but the reversals are not strong enough to bring things back up. They're really small, short-lived, of 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%, and then a rejection happens again, and the bear indicators are dominating within the volatility. But not just on the 30-minute, we're also seeing that strength of downward pressure on the 4-hour as this bull indicator has been canceled out by this bear indicator, and this no longer dominates the chart. And we've been monitoring this very closely, and I stated in yesterday's video, as it shifted from dark green with red borders to red bars, I was going to be watching for a continuation, and if a bear indicator popped up, that would cancel this out. And this is all happening very fast, and now it's coming back to retest key support levels that we've talked about and I've stated in the previous videos. Now, When you pull up the 1 day though, you could see how things are shifting for the first time, right? It's been under a bull indicator here since $2.47, 46 cents give or take. And all throughout, we have never seen a red bar, right? Within all that volatility, no red bars. Once this shifted, I stated we need to watch carefully if a red bar pops up, and if there's a continuation of these red bars, if a bear indicator pops up, that cancels out this bull indicator. And if on the 4 hour and on the 1 day we get cancellations of these bull indicators and there's bear indicators dominating, whether it's on the 1 day with the 4 hour, in the bigger picture, we may retest these lows, and this could also bring itself down to even lower levels. And it's going to be very important to be watching this going into next week. So let's talk about the key levels I'm watching on the 30-minute within the volatility. And then we can quickly look at the 5-minute as well to see what's going on in the microscopic level. And by the way, 42 Vision isn't just for the 30-minute, 4 hour, and 1 day. This works on the 1 minute, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, whatever time frame you are looking for, whether you're a scalper, day trader, long-term trader, there's opportunities to see within the moves. And in the volatility, how there's opportunities forming and unraveling every single time. So right now, the key support level is the low of the day, right? 425, and it's sitting at 435 as I speak. But the next support level is down here at 406. I would just round that down to $4, which is another support level down here. And I would watch that very carefully, because if it breaks through that, this could go into further weakness. And I would be watching the 4 hour as it unravels, as well as how the 1 day is continuing these shifts. And if it gets a bear indicator in the bigger picture, there could be a larger pullback, right? Doesn't signify or guarantee that, but something to watch, especially if it's breaking through support levels. Now, to the upside, the first resistance level is 480, the high of the day. And if that gets crossed, the next level would be up here at $5.03. I would just round that down to $5. And then we can start talking about higher levels above that based off the history of the chart. But right now, those are the two key levels to the upside. To the downside, the 420s and $4. And if you look at it here on the 5-minute, there's been a lot of volatility today. And there's been a lot of opportunities here, because it went from the 430s to the 480s, nearly a whole entire total amount of 10%. And on the way down, through the transitions and the bear indicator, it went down another 10% to the downside. And with calls and puts, plenty of opportunity there. Or even for trading stock itself, there's plenty of opportunities for those that swing trade, scalp, or day trade. And that's the purpose of having that clarity and edge over the charts. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make